In this video, we are going to see about the properties of the EM waves and the skin depth. On the completion of these topics, the students will be able to expose the ideas of electromagnetic waves and also the structure of the transmission lines. First one is properties of the electromagnetic waves. So the first property is here all the matter which is containing the charged particles that are always moving, so these objects emit the electromagnetic waves. And here the wavelengths which is very smaller, as the temperature, if the temperature of the material is going on increasing, then the wavelength becomes very shorter. Depending on the temperature of the increase in the temperature of the material, this wavelength becomes very shorter. And the first point with the charged particles, that is when this matter which is containing the charged particles is always moving, then these objects will be emitting the electromagnetic waves, and these electromagnetic waves carry the energy here. So while seeing the speed of the electromagnetic waves, all these electromagnetic waves are traveling in this 3 lakh kilometer per second in this free space. It is very high speeds, and depending on the speed of the light nature's limit, that is, if the material is moving on the speed, this is based on the movement of the material, this electromagnetic waves gets produced. So this speed will be up to 3 lakhs kilometer per, and the speed of the electromagnetic waves, since we know that all these electromagnetic waves are traveling in 3 lakhs kilometer per second in space, the speed of this light is very limited. So these electromagnetic waves are usually traveling in slowest in the solids as well as gas. And in case of light, its speed is very high and comparing with the solids and the gases. So in this light, it is 3 lakh kilometer per second, and also in the case of solids and the gases, it is very slow. So while considering the speed in vacuum, it is 3 lakh, and air it is less than 3 lakh, and water 2 lakhs 2.26, then glass it is 2 lakhs, and diameter is 1.24 lakhs. And if you are considering, that is, what is wavelength and the frequency of the electromagnetic waves, is nothing but the wavelength is the distance from the crest to crest, and this frequency is nothing but the number of wavelengths which is crossing from a given point per second. So that is, we call it as 1 by time period. So whenever this frequency increases, this wavelength becomes very smaller. And we are seeing the skin depth in this good conductor. So this is nothing but that the ability of a good conductor, that is, we are taking the copper or the aluminum sheet, which is we are indicating the skin depth, or we are calling as the depth of the penetration. So which is nothing but the electric field and the magnetic field which is penetrating the conductor, and also which is reduced by the intensity in the factor of exponential of -1, which is equal to 37%. And also from our solution, we can find out the lossy wave equation in terms of the sinusoid as steady state, so that we find out that in terms of electric field, that is Ex of t over comma z is equal to a into e power minus alpha z and cos omega t into minus beta z. So since this is propagating in the positive direction, this propagating wave will attenuate as well as it travels through the lossy medium, so that we call it as a into e power minus alpha z to cos omega t minus beta z. Substituting these values in the attenuation constants, we will be getting the answer as a into e power minus alpha into z cos omega t minus beta z minus a into e power minus omega mu into alpha sigma divided by 2 into z. So this electric field, since it is attenuating in the x direction, which we are taking as attenuating by exponential constant -1, which decreases the values by 37%. So by 37% it travels by distance. So that's why we are writing this equation as rho is equal to 1 divided by alpha, which is nothing but is equal to 1 divided by root of pi into f mu into sigma. That is, we call it as skin depth. So it decreases with the increasing source of the frequencies and the permittive medium and the conductivity of medium. Gives questions on the properties of the electromagnetic waves and the skin depth. So the first one is the skin effect is a phenomenon observed in the conductors, and the skin depth is calculated from the amplitude of the wave, which is true or false. That is true. The skin depth is used to find which parameter, which is nothing but AC resistance. Thank you.